How to transfer money from Chime to Venmo. Follow the instructions. Open your Venmo app, log into your account, and navigate to the Me tab from the bottom menu on your screen. Tap on Add Bank or Card, enter payment methods to begin linking your Chime account with Venmo for transfers. Select Bank as the method, then choose Instant Verification or Manual Verification for Chime linking. If using Instant Verification, search for Chime in the list of banks, then log in with your Chime credentials. If using Manual Verification, enter Chime routing and account numbers, then wait for micro deposits to verify. Once Chime is linked, return to Venmo's main screen and tap Add Money to start the transfer process instantly. Enter the amount you want to move from Chime to Venmo, then choose your linked Chime account as the funding. Confirm the transaction details and submit. Funds should appear instantly if you used your Chime debit card link. Thank you for watching.